Hello everyone, I'm back after a short break I had to take, and Merry Christmas! So this video will be Christmas related. If you want to actually make a Christmas video that feels warm, cinematic and emotional, and of course without complicated editing, then you've come to the right place. I'll show you how to make a Christmas video in CapCut step by step, even if you're still a beginner. Now of course I don't think I should explain to you, but obviously you need the footage related to Christmas, because that footage matters more than effects, and without the right footage your video won't feel Christmassy. If you want to find stock Christmas footage that's royalty free, you can head on Pixabay, a website I personally use for stock footage. You can find various videos that has Christmas decorations, Christmas trees, gifts, it doesn't matter, as long as it is Christmas related. And of course you get on CapCut, start a new project. And by the way, my last tutorial was a full step-by-step guide on how to use CapCut. So if you're a total beginner and haven't used CapCut before, make sure to check out my video. Now once you've selected the clips and imported and selected what ratio your video will have, you should of course trim your clips. But at the same time, unlike in previous videos I've explained to you where the viewer should constantly be interested in watching just because you're talking, there should be more of calm moments, because calmness adds a more comfortable mood to the Christmassy vibe. A Christmas video should feel calm, not rushed. And my optional tip for you, in some moments you can lower the speed of the clip to actually 0.5 and use the optical flow to make it more smoother, in case if the frame rate is quite low and it seems laggy. At the same time, for every single Christmas clip you have on your timeline, you can apply the motion blur. For each aspect of motion blur, apply 50. And then in the end, regardless if your video is slowed or at normal speed, it will feel already smoother than it is. Now of course you gotta add Christmas music just like in this video right now. Just like the stock footage, you can find stock music in Pixabay too. I've explained in my previous videos that music in videos should be kept at a lower volume, but in case if you're doing a normal Christmas video where no one is talking, just keep it at a right level, maybe even increase the volume just so people who listen to your video with headphones at a low volume can still hear it properly. But of course, in case if you have someone talking in that video, make sure to lower the volume of your music to somewhere between 10 to 20 decibels. But of course, it depends on the volume of someone's voice. If someone is talking in your video, just try to make sure the music doesn't collide with the voice. Now the most fun part of creating a Christmas video, color correction. Now I have made a full guide on color correction in this video where I explain step by step on how to create a fully properly color graded video, but this case is unique. If in my previous tips I told you to increase the temperature of the video a bit, right now I will tell you to lower it by 10. Try to keep it around -10. And of course, slightly increase the saturation with the exposure. And don't forget about increasing contrast. And an optional addition, you can apply low intensity filters, and this will give your video a cozy look, and this is when Christmas videos are the best. And never keep the video oversaturated. Now of course, don't never forget about Christmas effects. Thankfully, CapCut offers all the necessary effects you need for that. And thankfully, CapCut offers all the Christmas effects you need for that. You can apply snow overlays or something to do with cool effects in light. It's completely up to you. CapCut offers a huge list of effects for Christmas. Now for texts and titles, when it comes to text color, try to use something related to Christmas. Keep it all natural, like let's say candy cane colors, red and white, with let's say the font being red and the glowing being white, or vice versa, the glowing can be red and the font can be white. Same thing with green colors, of course. You would know all the best color contrasts that give off the best Christmas vibe. So it's completely up to you as long as they suit video setting. Don't forget to have soft fonts, no sharp edges, none of that. Just soft fonts just to add another comfortable feeling for the viewer when watching. It's Christmas after all. Now as always, when you're done with your video, export it at 4K, preferably for best resolution and 60 FPS. And you're done! Your Christmas video is ready. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. This was my short guide for beginners on how to create the best Christmas video. And if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to like it, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on next videos. And I'll see you everyone next time, and take care.